How to find live streams on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So for doing that, we just have to go on our YouTube app. Then from here we have to go to home, so make sure you are on the home page. And then here we have to scroll until we find live. So click on that. And here you will find all live videos. And we can also go to the search bar and search for live. And then as you can see here, we have random lives. And you can also click on those three dots from the right top page. Go to filters and then to features, click on live and then click on apply. And this way you will have only lives. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.